Greetings and welcome back to another video. Today we're opening up another box of Lightning Overdrive from Yugioh. We have Marichelle again here with me to help me open these up, and let's see what we get.
Starlight?
Yeah, that's the hope. That's the hope, but don't get your hopes up. Alright.
So me reading the names of this will be worse than when we do.
Well, maybe you shouldn't just read the names. Don't even bother. And we're mixing this up because I think you can map these things. It seems like they are mapped, so let's just shuffle them up. Shuffled. Shuffled.
I did get one amazing last time, didn't I?
Amazement?
Amazing card? No? Is that what it is?
Well, the amazement is the new archetype in there, if that's what you mean.
I don't think I got that one.
We got a ticket, the last box.
Oh.
Whatever it's called.
Okay. Amaze Attraction Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Otoshi Damashi.
I thought you weren't going to read them.
Okay. I don't know. Starry Night Seal. S-Force H Razor. ZS Arm Sage. Oh, it's sticking. And that one. Hidden Springs of the Far East. Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel.
Okay. Amazement Special Show, Scrap Raptor, War Rock Generations, Boo Boo Game, ZW Dragonic Halbred, Servine Crossbreed, Boojin, blah blah blah, Amazement Ambassador Bufo, Clock Arc.
Amaze Attraction Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Otoshimada Damashi. This is like the same as the last one that I opened. Starry Night Seal. Like identical almost. No, it's not. Stay Sailor Romarin. And that one. War Rock Mahmood. Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing. Basil Shoot.
DDD, Super Knight, Atoshi Damashi, Amaze Attraction, something or other, S-Force Dog Tag, Zexel Construction, World Soul Carbon, Screams of the Branded, Zexel and Trust, Arm Sage.
Cecil Alliance, Dark Eye Nightmare, War Rock Generations. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, branded in white. Birth of the Prominence Flame, 1x1. Springen's Booty, War Rock Big Blow.
Dogmatic Camality, Pegasus Twin Saber AI Challenge. Oh my goodness, I just ruined it. Live Twin. Nice. Nice little Ultra there. Judge of the Ice Barrier, Springen's Booty, Star Mine, War Rock Mahmood.
Dark Eye Nightmare. Fujin Condensance, I don't know. Cecil Alliance, AI Michu, Fox Rose Dragon. They stick. Amazement Ambassador Bufu, Cecil Entrust, Binary Leader.
Sun Avalon, Damari Ignister, S-Force Dog Tag, Starry Night Seal, Branded in White, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Arm Sage, UNAI, Binary Blader.
I Challenge You, Scrap Raptor, Boo Boo Game, Sun Avalon, Daphne.
Ooh, you got a nice one.
Amaze Attraction Cyclo Coaster. Not bad. Black Eyes, The Plunder Patrol Sea Guide, Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel, UNAI, Hidden Springs of the Far East.
Okay, Springin's Booty, Judgment of the Branded, Scrap Raptor, oh god. Ooh, Lena the Light Charmer, Lustrous. Basil Rose Shoot, Springin's Booty, UNAI.
Come on. Very nice one. Amazement Special Show, Scrap Raptor, War Rock Generation, Boo Boo Game. Is that? There's nothing there. There is something there. Amazement Family Faces. Birth of the Prominence Flame, Hidden Springs of the Far East, Judge of the Ice Barrier, Starmine.
We haven't hit a secret yet, eh? Wow. I probably shuffled them all to the bottom. Dark Eye Nightmare, Bujin Candescence, Zexal Alliance, AI Michu, Dark Infant Ignister, whoops. Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Arm Sage, UNAI, and Binary Blader.
Danmari at Ignister, Sky Scrooge Sindles, Dogmatic Calamity, AI Michu.
Oh, we got your
The
secret.
Grand Radiance. How do you say the first one? Bahalutia. That's pretty though. Can't say your first name. War Rock Mahmood, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, Basil Rose Shoot.
One Curry Way, Dark Eye Nightmare, Terrors of the Underroot, Springin's Brothers, Supreme Sovereign Serpent of Gaglagadaga, Black Eyes, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, and FU Biki. FU Biki.
You know that's the first one so far
That's
for the Fubuki.
Yep.
Last time we got a lot of those.
FU Buki.
Judgment of the Branded, S-Force Dog Tag, Mori, Sky Scrooge Sindles, Proof of Proofless, War Rock Mahmood, Clock Arc, War Rock Big Blow, and this guy.
Oh. Hmm? What? Dogmatic Malady, Pegasus Twin Saber, AI Challenge You, Paleozoic, Pendransaction, Ujin, Sunvine Crossbreed, FU Biki, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx.
We got them 2 in a row. I shouldn't say it because then they'll get it. Six Alliance, I said that wrong. Dark Eye Nightmare, Warrock Generation. So Navalon Milias, 1x1. Black Eyes, the Plunder Patrol Sea Guide, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, Fubuki. See, I said, oh wait, that's the first one we got. Now we can
Springin's Brother, Judgment of the Branded, Scrap Raptor, Lavalval X-Lord, Black Eyes, Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel, UNAI, Hidden Springs of the Far East. Should still have one more secret in there. Come on.
Warrock Generation, ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Terrors of the Underroot, Springin's Brothers, Rank Up Magic Cecil Force, Buchin Mahitotsu, Fluvine Crossbreed, Fubuki, and that one.
And that one. I don't know how you can't say Pharaonic Guardian.
I know.
You've opened up 1,000,000 Pharaonic Guardian booster boxes and you cannot say Pharaonic Guardian. Dark Eye Nightmare, Terrors of the Underroot, Springin's Brothers, Expendable Die, Birth of the Prominence Flame, 1x1, Springin's Booty, Warrock Big Blow.
There's only 4 left. You better get a good one.
Oh.
This is it, everybody. Let's watch the nice Judgment of the Branded, S-Force Dog Tag, Yamori Mori, Sky Scrooge Sindles, White Knight of the Dogmatica,
Another Ultra.
World Soul Carbon, Screams of the Branded, Cecil and Trust, Arm Sage.
Okay. This is it. This is the one. I can feel it. We got something in here. Danmari Ignister, Sky Scrooge Siddles, Dogmatica Malati, AI Meet You, Ultimate Dragon Utopia Ray, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Hidden Springs of the Far East, Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel, World Soul Carbon.
Okay, my last one.
One of these has a secret rare,
And this is
and the other has a starlight. Maybe.
maybe. This one has the Starlight. AI Challenge You. Scrap Raptor. Boo Boo Game. Sanavalon Daphne. Nope.
Oh! Come on.
Warrock.
Eh,
Meteor Dragon.
it's not the secret I wanted.
World Soul Carbon. Basil Rose Shoot. Springin's Booty.
I guess this one could have the starlight.
Could. Oh, I threw that in there.
Tashi Damashi, Mashi, Amaze Attraction, S-Force Dog Tag, Tri-Brigade, we did get a Tri-Brigade, Clock Arc, Warrock Blue Blower, Screams of the Branded, 1x1. Alright,
Nothing.
Well, no, I mean, there's some good ultra
Oh, we
rares
got
in
the nice
here.
ones.
Let's see. Ultra rare, the Utopia Ray. That's a nice one. What else did we get? Ooh, yeah, we got the Live Twin Ultra Rare, too. And what did you get here? I can't
This
remember.
nice.
Oh, yeah, the Maze Attraction. Well, the White Knight of Dogmatica. A Maze Attraction Cyclo Coaster. And then the two secrets. The Grand Radiance, because I'm not saying the first one. And War Rock. There you go. Alrighty. That's it for Lightning Overdrive. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.